we, the chairperson, the commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Ronald Marapon de la Rosa as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given the 17th day of May, 2025, in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia. Signed, Commissioner Amy P. Perolino. Signed, Commissioner Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr. Signed, Commissioner Nelson J. Celis. Signed, Commissioner Maria Norina Tangaro Kasingal, Commissioner. Signed, Noli R. Pipo, Commissioner. Signed, yours truly, Perdóname, I will read this twice. Attested by the Honorable Executive Director of the Commission on Elections, Chopisto E. Elnas Jr. Attested by Chopisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator De La Rosa to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. And may we request Senator De La Rosa to give us a short message.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to congratulate the COMELEC for a job well done. A very successful 2025 midterm elections. Pakiusap ko lang, Chairman George, na sana hindi na maulit yung natulog ako ng alauna ng gabi. 20 million na yung boto ko. Paggising ko sa umaga, naging 16 million. Sabi ko, ninakawan at ako ng 4 million votes . Pero you explained it properly, you explained it professionally, so maraming salamat for that clarification. I would also like to congratulate my Duterte PDP party mates for fighting a good fight. Marami akong natutunan sa inyo. Philip Salvador, Jimmy Bundok, JB Hinlo, Raul Lambino, Vic Rodriguez, Doc Marites Mata, and Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Natutunan ko sa inyo na pwede pala tayong mahalin ng taong bayan kahit wala tayong daladalang ayuda. Thank you for giving me that lesson. And also, I would like to congratulate my guerrilla warfare campaign team. Nasama-sama ko palagi kahit saan ako nakakarating. Kahit na anong weather, andyan sila. Hindi ako iniwan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I would also like to thank yung more than 20.7 million Filipinos na patuloy naniniwala at sumusuporta sa akin. Alam ko po, yung botong binigay nyo sa akin, yun po ay protest vote sa kinahinatnan ng ating dating Pangulong Duterte. Kaya nasaan ka man ngayon, President Duterte, sir, I dedicate this victory to you. Maraming salamat po. At kay Vice President BP Sara, maraming salamat sa iyong patuloy na encouragement and motivation na binibigay sa amin. Thank you for the inspiration. At sa lahat ng Pilipino, ako po'y magsasabi na hindi ko po kayo bibiguin. Itaga nyo sa bato. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Senator De La Rosa. Now, may we request Commissioner